Hi guys, Celai here, and welcome back to another video. So my auntie Shasha's birthday is in a couple days, so today I'm going to be making her a coconut soap because, she loves coconut a lot, so I'm going to be making her a soap. Alright, let's get started. So here's the soap base that we're going to be using, like we usually do. It's still shea butter. I think, yeah. Okay. There. Alright, so this is what it looks like after we put it into the microwave. So now let's get started with adding the extra stuff. So now we're going to be adding some coconut milk powder and to add like the soft feel of that coconut has. Oh yeah, that definitely smells like coconut. Okay. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of the powder. Okay, so here it is. Okay, let me add it in now. Wait. Sorry. That's all it's supposed to do. Yeah. Oh. All right. So yeah, it looks the same because it's still white. Anyway, yeah. This is what it looks like. It still looks the same. Now we're gonna be adding some coconut flakes. And no, you cannot eat these, but they definitely do look good. Oh yeah, definitely smells like coconut. I mean, coconut flakes. That makes sense. Okay, now you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of these. Oh, okay. Okay, now let me smell it. I can't smell it yet. But that's what fragrances are for. Anyway, okay, now we're gonna be adding 3 coconut fragrances. Okay, let me just tell you guys how much my auntie loves coconut. So basically everything that she has is coconut. Like she has coconut candles, coconut lotion, and coconut, basically everything that you could put on your body. And when we go to Starbucks, she usually gets the coconut milk kind of thing. And I don't blame her because coconut's good. But anyway, I'm gonna add these. So this is a coconut milk fragrance. We're gonna be adding 1 teaspoon. Yeah, we're gonna be adding 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, it smells like coconut milk. Oh, well.
Touch the thing on it.
That's about right. Then we're gonna be adding some Caribbean coconut. No, okay. Okay, now we're gonna be adding some Caribbean coconut. What is it called? The sunscreen? The
Hawaiian Tropics.
Yeah, the Hawaiian Tropics sunscreen. Yeah, this is what it smells like. Okay.
Touch it on there.
What are you talking about?
Link. Put this right here. You have to touch it.
Mom, you're confusing me.
Put it on there.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
No, you're like trying to pour it from up here.
Oh.
My gosh, so annoying.
I know, I get that a lot. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, my mom did that. Now, we're gonna be adding some coconut. Smells like coconut.
Okay. Touch it on it.
Okay.
Maybe 1 more teaspoon of the one that smells similar to Hawaiian Tropics.
Can you do it? Because I don't trust myself. I want to do it. So this is the container that we're going to be using, again, for the 3rd time. Okay. So we're going to be spraying it with alcohol, just 100% alcohol.
99.
99 actually, okay. So now we're going to be adding our mixture of soap. Anyway, okay. Okay, so we're gonna be using this. It's Mica, brown Mica. Okay. What do I do?
Just sprinkle it. Tap.
Oh no. So you guys know how coconut is white with brown on the top, so you know, oh, oops. Yep, that's what we're gonna do, because you know, it makes it look coconutty. Okay, is this our last one?
Okay.
Okay, let's mix it now.
Spray it.
Spray it again. We're gonna be using a knife to mix it, not mix it, but swirl it. What?
Come on.
I can't. Yeah, no, it's getting hard, Mom.
It's just the skin.
Oh, I don't want that. Alright guys, so this is the result, and I'm gonna let this dry and I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. Alright guys, so I am back and I am ready to unmold and cut. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks a little not flat, but it's okay. Yeah.
We wanted it to have that texture.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's start. Oh, okay. Yeah, that yeah, that smells good. Yeah, definitely how we expected it. So this is how it looks on the top, so you guys can see better. And you know, the rest of the sides are just white. Yep. Okay, let's start cutting. Okay, we're gonna get our 10-inch ruler. Okay.
The top one.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. It's here, right there, and right there.
Let's see.
It's right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is how they are all cut up here. This one kind of looks like they sunk the knife. Yeah, I got like a little swirly kind of thing. It's cool. I like it. And you know, just hope that my auntie likes it. Hope we got like the right scent that she likes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that my auntie Shasha loves these, and we're gonna make sure we pack them up real nice and take them over to her house because her birthday's tomorrow. So, what's your guys' favorite soap set? Make sure you guys let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and so you guys can see more soap making videos. Alright guys, bye!